Introducing Automated Reports Interface, ARI. A secure and simple solution to automate SmartPlant Foundation web client and extend its functionality. Instead of using REST API to get reports from the web server, we used Python and Selenium to control Microsoft Edge browser and access the already developed web client. In this demo, we will see 3 types of reports. The process to produce an Excel file is slightly different for each report, but we are still able to use only one executable. The executable runs as a scheduled task in headless mode, but for this demo we will display the browser and slow the process down to explain it. The first report type is a unit documents query. After authenticating, ARI returns the documents specified in URL. Clicking Export All to Excel will save the results to the default Downloads folder. ARI can then copy the file to a shared location. The second report type is Equipment List. This report has been configured to be downloaded from a feature set. The report will be copied to Projects File Share. The third report type is Domain Inconsistencies. The web client requires an additional step to confirm download. As always, once work is done, ARI logs out of web client properly.